What's up, guys? Y'all welcome back to the channel. Hope y'all enjoyed the buck video hunt for the PB&J buck. Man, that was an awesome hunt. It was exciting, an exciting track afterwards. Man, he made us work for it, but we got him. Anyway, it's October the 4th and it is Georgia's special Firearms doe weekend, so we can hunt with a firearm this weekend and shoot does only. So I brought the 243, the little New England handy rifle. I'm gonna ease up here to the food plot where I shot that doe up in the morning with the bow, and we're gonna see if we can't pop one with this rifle way earlier than normal. I don't know how to feel about this, but I said I was gonna bow hunt, but what the hell? They say I can go shoot one with a gun. I'm gonna go shoot one with a gun. We'll make some jerky out of that jacker. We had 4 or 5 coming back in there still. Some about, I don't know, some 2-year-old does, about 80 pounds. They'd be perfect. So we're gonna ease up here and see what we can do. Y'all stay tuned. Might get loud here in a minute. Let's go. We got in clean. There wasn't nothing in the plot. I didn't bump nothing, so that's always good. Had 2 bucks been coming out here pretty regular. They was out here this morning, but I ain't taking there one of them. They too small. One of them's real old, mature deer, and the other one's a younger deer. He's got a real funky rack. He ain't even legal to take in this county, so I can't take one of them into the rifle, no way. I wouldn't shoot the other buck with my bow. I'd pass him. Maybe we can get some footage of them if they come out here, but spray down with the nose down, fresh dirt. Got a good east wind blowing across like this, so should be a good evening. Food plot's looking good. Deer season 2025. We're looking for number 3. Freeze a queen, baby. Let's go. Short barrel ducker, loud in his blind. How about that, boys and girls? Feels weird shooting a rifle this early, but boy, that's a big old long head sun gun. She jumped right off in that dang old briar patch too. I heard her crashing around and then she's laying right in there. She didn't get far. We called the boss lady. Smoke City.
You lying.
Should have been your deer.
Oh, well, I had some stuff to do, so, you know.
Oh, well, it's fine.
You got a big girl.
Yeah, she's a big old doe. She come out up there.
Oh, man.
She come out up there at the far end of the food, about middle ways up at the road up there and just fed her way.
Like my last year did.
Yeah, she fed her way right down the edge down here. There was a button buck been out here eating on this block for like 45 minutes. He's been out here forever.
What's up?
And a bunch of rabbits, and then she come out. I thought it was a buck when I looked.
Yeah.
And then she picked her head up, and I was like, "Daggum boy, that's a big old slick." So I cocked the hammer on the rifle. I was locked in. She fed all the way down the edge of the road. Took her forever, and then she come around behind the feeder and just stood back there, and she got broadside, and oh son, I let it eat.
Well, how far she go or she drop right there? You don't know yet.
No, she ran down in that thick jump. Remember that doe last year that I shot out in the morning that went down in that briar thicket? She went straight off in there, but I heard her crashing around down in there, so she ain't full.
And you didn't want to take the gun.
I wouldn't, but hey, if they say I can shoot one with a rifle right now, I'm gonna smoke one. Hell with it.
Hey, I'm proud of you.
That joker just eat on one too.
Well, I'm
a good one.
so bring her on back to the camp so I can see her.
So you can see her.
Yeah.
What you gonna do? Ride back down here?
I'm almost there, babe.
Lord. All right then.
Lord, I got us a couple movies to watch tonight too.
All right.
Well, I'm so proud of you. Oh, I can't wait.
All right, love you, bud. I'm gonna go find her before it gets dark and drag her out.
All right, bye.
Woo! Let's go, y'all. Special doe-only rifle weekend has been a success this evening. Big Slick down with the 243. Pinched. Alright, y'all. Come out here and take a look at that food plot. Man, they're already out here hammering this way. No trash block. The feeder's finna go off here in a second. Probably gonna scare the mess out of him. Alright, let's see. She was standing right here. They probably ain't gonna be much blood. What I'm scared of. But I know she went right off in there. This might be fun. I heard her crashing around there, so I know she's down. There's her tracks. Kick it light. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I see her laying right yonder. But there ain't a drop of blood, but I heard crashing around right here. There probably won't be no blood. Let's see, I see the deer. Heck yeah, that joke didn't go 40 yards. Oh yeah. Heck yeah, boys. Slick down. Straight heart shot. That's what you want to do. That's a good doe there. Really good. Shoot you. Just what you feel it. That's what I heard. She was kicking on this dirt. Hit me branches, broke all that mess. Broke all that. Heck yeah. Thank you, old girl. Big old long nose. Good old Hancock County doe. I'm gonna get it back out here to the food plot. We can get some pictures. Heck yeah. Whew. I'm gonna cut the light off. Well, if I can cut it off. We got her, y'all. First doe. Special doe weekend here in Georgia. We got one on the ground. 243. Awesome. That was a fun hunt. Alright, y'all, we got her back out. She didn't go 40 yards right there after the shot, so not much of a track. There wasn't no blood, so I heard her crashing right there, so I knew where she was at. Thank goodness. I saw her belly when I walked down in there, so thank you, old girl. That was a fun hunt. Our special rifle weekend, doe only weekend here in Georgia. We could shoot does only with firearms, so I took advantage of it and got me another Freezer Queen. Yeah. Check out the hat, nose down scent hat, Freezer Queen, baby. Appreciate y'all watching, y'all. Go down there and subscribe, man. Y'all go check out all our partners, Trees and Camo, Nose Down Scent, Blackwater Custom Calls, Nutrex Feed, especially what they was eating out here this evening. Y'all go check out Misfits Deer Processing on Facebook. Y'all check them guys out. They do an awesome job. And who am I forgetting? Lake Country Fishing, TTP Outdoors, and Southeast Bowhunter Podcast. Y'all go check all them out on social media. And I'm gonna get this old girl took care of. It's getting dark. I can make it back to camp before dark this evening. How about that? She's gonna make some good sausage. I'm proud to take her. Y'all go subscribe, y'all follow us along. Hope y'all enjoyed the PB&J book video. Hopefully we'll get another book down tag out this season, so y'all be sure and follow us. Thank y'all for watching. See you on the next one.